If you're a small business owner, chances are you have a website. And if you have a website, you probably have an About Us page. But how do you write an About Us page that actually engages with your audience and tells your brand story in an effective way? Hey, I'm Faye, a brand and web designer dedicated to helping small business owners grow and thrive on and offline through strategic and authentic branding. Today, I'm talking about how to write an engaging About Us section for your website so your audience can better understand who you are and connect with you. So let's get started. Your About Us page is more than just a summary of your business or a summary of your website. People visit your About Us page to learn more about the stories and the faces behind the business, and it's your chance to make a good first impression on them. A good About Us page can really help set you apart from the competition and really explain how you're unique and how you can help them. But before you even start writing, you should think about who you're trying to connect with. What is your target audience? For example, my target audience is small business owners, solopreneurs, maybe creative professionals. Yours might be dog moms or maybe athletes, but whatever your target audience is, you need to focus on them. Tailor the messaging in your About Us section to explain things that they want to know about you. Think of any questions they might have about your process or about the founders and try to get them integrated into your story. Open up with your brand story. Tell a fun fact about how you first started. And from there, quickly tell your visitors who you are, what you do, and why you do it. This will set the tone for the rest of your page. Once they understand what your business is all about, share your mission and your vision. Your mission is the core of your business. It's what you do and why you exist. And your vision is what you would like to do in the future. What are your aspirations and who are the people you're trying to help long term? Share both the smaller picture and the bigger picture so that your audience is able to better connect with you. Talk about how your business started or what inspired you to start your journey. Maybe share some of the challenges you faced along the way and how you overcame that. And if you have any other major milestones or anything important about your business that you'd like to share it here. Share what makes you unique. Every small business should have values that they uphold, and these values shape the culture of your business. Share the principles that guide your actions and guide the decisions you make. Show what's important to you and how you treat your customers, how you treat your employees, and how you treat the world around you. This kind of makes your business more relatable, more human, and easier to connect with. If you have a team, or even if you do this by yourself, try to get your photo in there. This will allow your customers to connect with you more and understand the faces behind the business. Maybe share what it is each key member does. Share maybe a fun fact about them, maybe an interest or two that they have. Either way, whether you're selling a product to customers or doing a service for a client, you are selling to people, so they should be able to connect with you people to people. Talk about your experiences and your qualifications and what helps set you apart from other people in the same field as you. If you or your company has any notable achievements or awards, be sure to mention it on there. If your business is associated with any large committees or networking groups, maybe have a section on your About page that shouts them out. That way you can connect more with those other people in your network. And include testimonials and showcase your work. So if you have a product, throw in your reviews, maybe throw in some photos of people using it, use some user-generated content. Make sure that people know that your product is legit and that they can trust you to deliver that. And if you have a service, share case studies, share stories about how you transformed the lives of your clients. Share before and after, share reviews, and anything else that allows your customer to trust that you offer quality service. Demonstrate your impact through real examples and guide your customers through those examples so they can understand why they should choose you. Make sure every section of your website's About Us page is consistent and authentic to your brand. Make sure it is true to you everywhere. Use your brand's colors, fonts, logos, and make sure that people know this is your brand and this is who you are. In addition to that, make sure that you also use your brand's voice properly. If you're a serious brand, don't use a casual voice, and vice versa. Make sure that you sound like you. Maybe include on that About Us page places that they can connect with you. For example, a carousel of your Instagram posts, or maybe even integrate a couple of your TikTok videos onto the About Us page, introducing yourself maybe, and linking people back to your TikTok so they can connect with you more. Add some calls to action throughout this page. So if the first step to working with you is booking a free consultation call, or filling out a contact form, or simply clicking shop and purchasing a product right there, let your audience know that. Say shop now or book a free call. Whatever it is you want your audience to do, make it clear no matter what. Your About Us page should really reflect the core of your brand. It's all an important part of your branding strategy. So between your homepage and your About Us page, your shop or services page, and your Contact Us page, your customers should have enough information to make an informed decision about you. They should know who you are, what you stand for, and how they can get started working with you. Make sure to integrate your brand story throughout your entire About Us page so your customers can better connect with you and hopefully choose you over your competitors. I think that's about it for now. So yeah, your About Us page is so crucial for your website, and a website without an About Us page is a website that's a little bit hard to connect with. So if you have any questions related to this, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer you and to connect with you. So yeah, hopefully we can talk soon. Outside of that, if you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a like. Once again, comment, subscribe, or hit that notification bell for more videos every Monday dedicated to branding, web design, and growing your business on and offline. All right, well, you take care of yourself, and I'll see you next week. Bye.